Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. My name is Jocelyn. I am 39 years old. I live in Muñoz, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am single, but I have live-in partner. I have two kids. I have one daughter. She's 17 years old, and I have one son. He is 2 years old. I study in Central Luzon State University. I am undergraduate of college in Bachelor of Science in Home Economics. My hobbies is baking, and I am pet lover too. I have one dog and three cats. My expertise is child care. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong from April 2015 to July 2021. I work with two employers. My first employer is Chinese family. They are a couple and they have two kids. They're both girls, ages 3 years old and 1 year old. And my second employer is a French family. They're also a couple and they have two kids. One daughter, age 9 years old, and one son, age 7 years old. My duties are cleaning, ironing, marketing, cooking, and I send them to school. And also I send them to activities, or if they're sick, I send them to doctor. And I do also a car washing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and to save money for my family. And my promise to my future employer is, please sir, ma'am and sir, choose me as your helper because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be work hard and I obey all your commands. Thank you, and I look forward to work with you as soon as possible.